Hi you guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I dyed my bob wig. The only thing you'll need is some gloves. You will need something to stir with, a bowl, and of course your hair color of choice. Now the gloves aren't necessary, you guys. I just did that to look a little bit more professional. I mean, if it was bleaching, I would say they're necessary because you don't want your hands to like fucking just about fall off. I mean, semi hair color will not stain your hand, you guys. That's why it's called semi for a reason. Semi-permanent. You can wash it off. And do not mind me, you guys. I smell just about everything, and I'm obsessed with the smell of Adore and Kiss semi hair colors. They smell amazing. I literally tried to use this whole fucking bottle before I open up a new one. So yeah, you'll see me trying to make the first bottle stretch before I even open up the new one. Why? I have no idea. So you guys, this was pretty much a watercolor method fail. The reason why I'm saying that, when I blow dried it, like, it was the ginger color I wanted at the top, but the middle was like a golden yellowish blonde, which was not cute at all. Which is why I ended up going in with the cool, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I'll leave it in the description box below. I went in with the cool, funny colors and the color orange, which is how I achieved the pumpkin spice ginger looking color in the next clip. Pumpkin spice. It was a little too orange. I was going for more of a lighter gingerish color,